Hi everyone, this is Pawan and you're watching the channel called The Virtual Course. In this video, we are going to discuss about the KCET counseling, and if you're a student who's going through this kind of process, then this is the exact video, or you can say exact information I'm going to get all around in this video. See, watch this video completely. There's a single request, and if you're watching this video, let's say half or let's say 1 minute, then again it creates a problem for you. So make sure to watch it completely for complete understanding. So without wasting our time, let us start this video. Now, if we talk about the KCET 2021 complete guidance, this was the title of the video, and again this is true. I'm going to give overall idea that what's going to happen and what is the process that you have to go through out the KCET counseling, right? Now, normally when you get the result and up to the admission, this has normally happens when you take any management suite, right? Now, between result and admission, there are lots of back the scene that happens for a KCET student, and it may be all paperwork, all online submitting of applications work, all this kind of stuff. So lots of students will get confused. What are the process? What are the best way that we can go through without any confusion? Understood? So the intentions of this video is very simple. If you are getting confused with the process, then it's going to clear. This video is going to clear complete, right? Now, normally when we see what is the admission flow in the KCET, so it's very simple. Normally you're going to get the result, and after getting result you have to undergo admission counseling, and then finally if you complete with that, you're going to get the admission, right? So this is how it happens. Now, if we talk about the total number of, you can say, the flow of admission, what are the steps that we're having in KCET counseling? So those are KCET option entry. So what does that mean? So it's mean that entry of list of colleges and respective courses. So you're going to get access to your website where you have to log in there by using your user ID and password, and in that you have to enter list of colleges that you want to take admissions in. Let's say in Karnataka there are 217 colleges, and in that 217 colleges you are interested around 100 colleges. So that 100 colleges you have to enter in the website, or let's say as an option, and in that 100 colleges you're going to get one college which matches your rank. Understood? Now, all those things will be again order wise. Let's say, for example, you're going to enter 5 college. In that 5 college, college 1 and college 2. Here college 1 will be better than college 2, and college 2 will be better than college 3. So this is how the order will be. Understood? So in that way you have to give preference. So you must know which are the best college. You cannot give the worst college as a number 1. So again you're going to get the first one itself. You are going to left all the good college there itself. Understood? Now, next we talk about, we have mock allotment. So what does that mean? So once you're done with the first round, what is that, KCET option entry, then you're going to get a mock allotment seat. So this is not the real one, it is a mock, like I can say a trial one. Now you will be allotted a mock seat in any available college which you have selected in the previous round. Understood? Now, next if we talk about, we have real allotment. So once you're done with the mock allotment, then in the further rounds, after when you get the results of the rounds, then you're going to get the real allotment. Then you will be allotted a real seat in that with a particular college and the courses. Understood? Now, after that there will be payment and admission. So once you confirm any college with a particular course, then you have to on confirmation you need to make a payment and visit the allotted college. Okay, this is what happens. Now, these are all the process, or you can say the flow happens, but again there is a back-end process which is there. I'll tell you in the next slide. Got it? Now, in KCET option entry 2021 there are totally 4 rounds. So that is round 1, round 2, second extended round, and special round. Got it? Now, what is round 1? Normally when you do option entry, you're going to get result in round 1. So in round 1 you're going to get result, and then you have to make option of choices. So each and every round will have some choices, let's say 4 choices. And what does that mean also I'm going to discuss in this video. Now, round 1 you got a result and you have to make choices. Let's say you're not satisfied with the round 1, you want to get better college, then you can go for round 2 as well. So in that case, you have to again make some choices and you can go for option of choices. Right now, what all the choices that we are having? Let's say you got college X in the round 1, and what else you can do with that X college? Okay, what about the rest college which you have entered? So for that, choice comes into picture, right? So we'll discuss about the choice now. Let's say if you select choice 1, so choice 1 is also called as a acceptance of seat. That means you are satisfied with the seat and you don't want to participate in the further rounds. You are ready to take the admissions and you're ready to go to the college and you're ready to take the admission. That's what it means. Understood? Now, if I'll read out for you. So satisfied with the college allotted and then don't want to participate in further rounds, then pay the fees to the allotted college and report to the KEA by online mode. So this is what it means. And again, if you take choice 2, what does that mean? Also I'm going to discuss. So acceptance and further participation. So this means that whatever the college which you got in round 1, you're already satisfied, but still you want some further, or let's say some better college. Let's say you have entered for example 10 college. In that 10 college you got a 6th college. Okay, and as I told you that 5th college is again better than 6th college. So there is a chance that you may get 5th college also. So that's the reason we are going for choice 2, and always I consider choice 2 as a better choice, you can say a safer choice. So in this, what happens here? Satisfied with the allotted seat in round 1 but still wishes to participate in further round. This is what the first point says. Then if a student get higher seat in the further round, then the seat was allotted before will get cancelled. That means if you get seat in college number 5, then the seat which you got in college number 6 will get cancelled. That is what it means. The student does not get any higher seat in the further round, then he or she will have the backup seat which was allotted in the previous round. That means the seat which you got in college number 6, that will be there with you if you're not getting college seat in college 5. Understood? This is what it means. Now we talk about the choice 3. This is the dangerous choice, I'm telling you. Now what does that mean? I'll tell you. This means it is unsatisfied with the college allotted and further participation. That means you are participating in the next round but you are not satisfied. In this case, what happens? Whatever the seat which you allotted in the previous round, that will get cancelled. You don't have a backup seat. That is what the difference in the second round. And if you're not getting any seat, let's say if you have entered from 1 to 10 colleges and you got around 9th college and you have given choice 3. In that case, what happens? They're going to search for all 1 to 8 colleges, and if you're not getting, then the seat which you got for the 9th college also get cancelled. So you again will be thrown out of the KCET counseling. So this is what the process are all about. So in that case, you have to think and you have to make the choices. So always I suggest choice 2 is a better one. Right now, what is choice 4? So it is unsatisfied and quitting with the KCET counseling. So that means you're completely unsatisfied with the allotted seat and you don't want to participate in any round. You're not happy with the you can say the work with the KEA. So what does that mean? See here, in this section he or she got seat somewhere else, let's say some management, and don't want to participate in the further upcoming round. So this is what it means. If you're not getting from the KCET, then you have to go for management only. That's what it means. Okay guys, that's all about in this video. I hope you have understand the process and all the procedure. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer as fast as possible. And make sure you're going to subscribe to the channels and hit the bell icon and press all, so that you will get notified whenever I'm going to upload this kind of video in future. So thank you so much for watching video. Have a good day and bye bye.